Namaste, my friends. Today we're going to do a short Kundalini activation to really activate the spine, activate the brain, and regulate, balance the nervous system. What we do is actually we bring movement into the spine to activate the energy centers that the cerebral spinal fluid can flow up along the Sushumna nadi, the main energy channel, along the spine into our higher energy centers. It's nothing mystical, it's measurable. Everyone can experience, everyone can practice, and even scientists can measure this process. So sit comfortably, keep the spine straight, rest of the body relaxed, relax your shoulders, gentle smile on your lips, focus on your breathing. Breathe in and out through the nose. Before we start, focus on the flow of prana energy from the bottom of your spine all the way up your third eye chakra into your crown, and with the exhalation from the third eye back into the root, the base of the spine. Because we're not just breathing air in and out through the nose, we also breathe the prana from the etherical sphere, from the akash, within us, from our root chakra up to the crown, with the exhale down back to the base of the spine. Doing this practice, it's not just a workout, it's more work in. Focus on this natural flow of prana inside the Sushumna nadi. Now we inhale, we start slow, we slide our hands from the knees to the waist, we arch up, back, bring the chest out. We always hold for a moment, just a second, then we exhale, we round the spine. Yeah, we slide back from the waist to the knees with the hands. You can lean back more if you like. You can lean like this, whatever feels right. There's no right or wrong. Just want to bring some movement into the spine, very slow and controlled. Feel the spine moving, the shoulder blades pinching, the shoulders moving, the arms, the back, even slightly in the legs, and focus on the flow of prana within. Breathe in and out through the nose. And just follow me along, follow your own rhythm. Most important is that you really enjoy the practice and move each body part, and especially the spine. Enjoy the movements of the spine. We do about 10 more. And then after the last exhalation, we exhale. You hold the breath just for a moment, and you can activate Mula Bandha. Mula means root, Bandha means lock. It's an energy lock. So we lock the perineum muscle. Now you squeeze this muscle like you hold back going to toilet. Now if you have to go to pee and you hold it back, you exhale fully, you hold the breath, squeeze and focus on the root chakra. And then as we inhale, we inhale fully and you focus on the cerebral spinal fluid. You can imagine white bright light moving up from the root of your spine all the way to your third eye. Then you lock the perineum muscle, keep the eyes closed, hold the breath and focus on your third eye. Okay, one more time, then fully exhale. Sit straight, squeeze the perineum, focus on the root chakra, focus on the earth, the energy of the earth. And as you inhale, fully inhale, release the Mula Bandha first, inhale fully all the way to your third eye. Then squeeze the perineum, hold the breath and focus on your third eye. Feel how the energy is moving up. You can even focus on the pineal gland in the center of your brain. Where the spine ends, focus on the pineal gland, activating. hold and squeeze only for long as comfortable. Whenever you feel the urge to breathe again, you just release and come back to your normal breathing rhythm. Feel the opening. The more you squeeze, the more you focus on the third eye, the more benefit you will have. Then you release and you just breathe in and out through the nose. Let everything settle. Feel the change of energy, your body more light, the mind more calm. It's a great practice before meditation or deeper pranayama sessions, before yoga, because you can really purify and cleanse the energy channels, activate the energy centers, the chakras, and bring peace and harmony and flow into your practice. But by itself, it's also a great practice on its own. Okay, round number 2. Inhale, arch your back, exhale round your spine. We go a little bit faster and not too fast. Enjoy each movement. Focus on the movement of prana within, with the inhale from the base of the spine all the way up, with the exhale all the way down. Try to bring some nice movement into the spine, physically and mentally. And we go a bit faster. Do about 10 more. Then we hold the breath after the exhalation. Breathe into your root chakra, hold, squeeze the perineum. And then again we inhale fully, hold the breath, squeeze, focus on the third eye. Three more. Last one. Exhale, hold, squeeze. Only for as long as comfortable. Then release the Mula Bandha, inhale fully, focus on your third eye, squeeze the perineum and bring the prana all the way up to your third eye. Focus on the Mula Bandha or the root lock and focus on the third eye simultaneously. Hold the breath for as long as comfortable. Keep the focus, squeeze the perineum, hold. Feel the urge to breathe, maybe hold 2-3 seconds longer. Feel the activation in your forehead, the pineal gland, third eye. And then first you release the Mula Bandha, and then you exhale. And focus on the shift we just created. I'm more lightheaded, more clear, more peace and calm. With simple movements, with a simple breathing practice, also known as spinal breathing, Kundalini Pranayama. Okay, round number 3, we start slow. Enjoy the practice, move each body part. The elbows, the arms, the shoulders, the shoulder blades, the spine, the back, even the abdomen, the chest. Yeah, bring movements into the breath and align your breathing with these movements. With your inner vision, you follow the prana from the root of the spine all the way up. You go a bit faster. And faster and deeper. Now breathe in through the nose and loud out through the mouth. And 5 very fast. And slow in and out through the nose, very slow. Last 3. Last inhale. Exhale fully. Squeeze. Focus on your root chakra. Feel the connection to the earth. And as you inhale, release the bandha first. Inhale fully from the earth, from the root, all the way to your third eye. Pierce all the chakras, all the energy centers. And focus your cerebral spinal fluid. Bring it up into your pineal gland, into your brain. Focus on the forehead. Hold the breath this time for as long as you can. Feel the opening. Maybe you see colors and lights, some tingling, it's all fine. Just keep the breath hold as long as you comfortably can. Extend it for a few seconds, then release the bandha, relax the breathing, focus on your third eye, breathe into this area. Feel the opening, keep your spine straight, rest of the body relaxed. Gentle smile on your lips. Just focus on the third eye. Focus along the spine. Imagine the spine as an energy channel. And this channel goes all the way into your brain. And in the center of the brain, where the pineal gland is situated, you bring in the awareness. You breathe into this area and you imagine a light like the sun. With each inhale, you focus the awareness into this energy center. With the exhalation, you expand. This is the seed of the third eye. Just open up with each exhalation, expand and widen the energy center. First into your brain. When you feel this feeling of expansion, you expand it all around your head, like a halo, like the saints. In the churches, in the paintings, you see the halo. It's because the Kundalini was awakened. Just enjoy, open and expand. Expand all around your head, all around your body. Being sheltered by beautiful golden light, bright like the sun, shining from your pineal gland all around you. Now feel the skin on your body. Feel all the muscles, the blood flow, the nerves, the bones, the tissues and joints. Feel all your cells in your body. Just consciously be aware of all the cells in your body. Then focus on the root. You can imagine a beautiful red lotus flower with 4 petals, lotus petals, and you sit on that lotus. You're fully grounded. Feel the weight of the body. Grounded, balanced and in harmony. The energy is flowing freely from the root of the spine all the way up to your pineal gland, to your crown. At the same time, you're fully situated and balanced within the body. And when you're ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Thank you for taking the time, breathing with me. Just stay with this feeling, feel your body, but also feel the awakening. And you could see, it's so easy, so quick. Practice this for at least a week with me, and then try it by yourself. Yeah, take 5-10 minutes, don't need to be so long, and activate this energy. You will see your day, your life will be so much more flowy, much more in presence and full of energy, peace and love. Thank you. Namaste.